Okay, so you had mentioned in your presentation about braids and like the pulling of the braids. Is it normally styles that are up, or even if the styles, if you wear it down, is that still pulling like at your temples too? And is it better to wear smaller braids or larger braids?
So no braids are really good,
Okay.
but braids for a short time are okay. So if you wear a braid that pulls back for a long time, you'll have hair loss in this direction. If you wear it that pulls down, you'll have hair loss in that direction. So in a way, though, if you're going to wear braids, do it occasionally and actually do it variably. One time pull down, one time so you're pulling in different directions. So you're not always pulling the same direction. People who use braids that always are pulling the same direction are the ones more likely to lose hair quicker and have hair loss. So I would do it variably, this way or that way, different ways for the braids. The other thing with braids is, you mentioned shorter or longer, the more weight on the braid, of course, is going to cause more traction and more hair loss in the long run. So the shorter the braid, the better off, but it still pulls.
Okay.
Any braid's going to pull, but a longer braid is going to pull more than a shorter braid.
And then you said not to keep them in too long. What is too long to you?
Well, I don't know. That's a good question. I would say more than a month or two.
Okay.
To vary how you use them and take them off. Give your hair at least a few months to rest.
In between.
Yes,
Okay.
to regrow. Everyone's hair is different, so there's not a hard, fast answer. It depends on that person. So I would suggest trying it, finding out what works for you, and if you're noticing it's not causing too much tension on your hair, then use that method.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, sure.
Yeah.